Liar and untrustworthy. This was the question thrown by Senator Judge Robin Padilla regarding the shifting affidavits of Arturo Las Cañas used by the prosecution in the testimony of NBI Director Melvin Matibag. Following this, Padilla appealed to the prosecution to avoid presenting witnesses who are facing cases. Angel Pastor tells us more.
Senator Judge Robin Padilla questioned lead House Prosecutor Representative Jervy Luistro regarding the conflict statements of self-confessed Davao Death Squad hitman Arturo Las Cañas. The prosecution used the affidavit of Las Cañas to support the allegation of a pattern of violence in the testimony of NBI Director Melvin Matibag regarding the alleged threats of VP Sara.
Napakahalaga po sa bawat pagdinig ay yung nagsasabi ng katotohanan. Tama po ba?
Tama po.
Opo. Pagka ang isang witness po ay naging halimbawa ng paiba-iba ang sinasabi, ano pong tawag dito?
This is a hypothetical question,
Apo.
Your Honor. You are not referring to any particular witness?
Si Las Cañas po. Yung inyo pong pinakitang affidavit, October 3, 2016, sinabi niya walang kinalaman ang Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. February 20, March 6, na iba na ang istorya. Ang tanong ko po, ano ang tawag sa taong paiba-iba ang sinasabi? Di ba po sinungaling?
Luistro did not directly answer Padilla's question. Instead, she addressed her response to the presiding officer.
Nais ko pong linawin ang kanina ko pong manifestasyon. Ito po ay ipresenta sa impeachment court bilang bahagi ng testimonya ng witness.
Hindi pa din po sinasagot.
Pwede ba nating sabihin, lead prosecutor, na ang testigong pabago-bago ang kanyang testimonya sa magkakaibang petsa o araw o panahon ay isang testigong hindi maaasahan?
Without particular reference to Arturo Las
Sa
Cañas,
pangkalahatan,
I agree with you, Honorable Presiding Officer.
Padilla also criticized the prosecution for presenting witnesses like NBI Regional Director Attorney Jeremy Lotoc and Senior Agent John Mark Calilong, who are allegedly facing active cases.
Bilang pakiusap po sa inyo, sa prosecution, pwede po ba na sana ay maiwasan natin ang pagbibigay ng witness na may kasong perjury? Hindi na po ito si Las Cañas. Ang sinasabi ko po ay yung dalawang mahal nating witness, si Attorney Jeremy Lotoc at si NBI Agent Calilong, na sa mga oras na ito ay may kasong hinaharap na perjury. Pwede po bang iwasan natin na may mga ganito tayong witness para ang nasasakdal po kasi dito ay ibinoto ng 32 million na tao.
It can be recalled that on day 5 of the impeachment trial, when NBI Regional Director Jeremy Lotoc took to the witness stand, Padilla brought up complaints of perjury, robbery, extortion, and theft allegedly filed against him before the ombudsman. The prosecution clarified, however, that they verified there are no pending cases against two prosecution witnesses. Meanwhile, Senator Judge Amy Marcos questioned the purpose of NBI's Special Task Force while the impeachment trial of Vice President Sara Duterte is ongoing, especially since no actual assassination has occurred.
Bakit pa kailangan mag-case build-up samantalang eto na tayo sa impeachment trial, eto na tayo na wala pang actual assassination, kaya hindi naman maintindihan kung ano pa ang silbi ng Special Task Force.
Matibag explained,
dito sa impeachment, magkaiba po yung requirement eh. Hindi naman po natin kailangan pang ipresenta kung sino yung kinausap na assassin. Ang importante lang po rito ay yung admission mismo ng Vice Presidente na humanap siya ng mamamatay para patayin ng Presidente at iyon ay pumayag.
For God and my beloved Philippines, Angel Pastor, SMNI News.